Hi there. We are working as a service technician on an electric vehicle today. We say EV for short. This car has a lot of miles on it. And the EV battery has been used so much that it can only be driven 26 miles, even on a full charge. We've got to replace it with a new one. The battery is so heavy, we've got to support it on the lifting table. Alright, the harness connector allows the battery to power the car. We've got to disconnect it. Good. We need to disconnect the communications connector too. Grab it and twist it off. That's it. The battery is attached to the car with 10 bolts. We're gonna loosen them. Since the battery is not attached to the car anymore, we can lower the lifting table and take it away. Let's get it out of here and get a new battery on the lift. Time to put those 10 bolts back. Now we just have to reattach the communications connector and the high voltage harness. Great, that's pretty much all there is to it.